Are you looking for a reliable and professional flooring company in East Ridge Highlands Ranch? Do you want to transform your office or home with beautiful and durable hardwood floors? If you answered yes, then you need to contact East Ridge Highlands Ranch Flooring today. You know you need to replace your floors, but you don't know where to start. There are so many options out there, but how do you know which one is right for you? How do you find a flooring company that you can trust, that offers quality products and services, and that fits your budget and timeline? That's why you need East Ridge Highlands Ranch, hardwood flooring expert in East Ridge Highlands Ranch, Colorado. They have over 20 years of experience in installing, refinishing, and repairing hardwood flooring. They offer a wide range of traditional and exotic hardwood flooring options, from laminates to luxury vinyl plank, as well as hardwood stairs. They can help you choose the best hardwood flooring for your home based on your needs, preferences, and lifestyle. They also provide free estimates, professional installation, and a limited warranty on their workmanship. Don't wait any longer. Contact us for your next flooring project today and get ready to transform your home with hardwood flooring. Whether you want to enhance the look of your home, increase its value, improve its air quality, or reduce allergens, hardwood flooring is the perfect choice for you. Visit our website listed below, your hardwood flooring specialists in East Ridge Highlands Ranch, Colorado. Don't forget to ask about our Dustless sanding service too.